Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have another poppin' eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. This is from Nicki K, New York. This is the Lilac Twinkle palette. Now I did do a look on her, but I did not like how it looked. I will have it linked right here. Take a look at it. It was just like the pose was cute, but the eyeshadow, it looked too basic. I want more glam. So this is how the palette is looking. So if you want to see how it turns out, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, check me out. If you are a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you, loves. Thank you for your wonderful positive comments. So it helps me wanting to continue to make videos. So thank you for all your positivity. So yeah, let's jump into this video. Alright, so I do have my fan on, so I might do a voiceover, but I am going to go in with La P. Louise eye base, and I am using the Morphe brush, and it does not have no number on here, so sorry about that. And also for my eyebrows, I use the Beauty Supply concealer, IZME, in the shade Mahogany. I think someone asked for the products, but I will have the products that I do use in the description box. But most of these brushes that I use, honestly, they're like 3 or 2 years old, and the numbers are erased off in the brand. But this one is just Morphe. I don't know what number it is, so yeah. But I normally don't should tell you guys the brushes because everybody have different eye shapes and everybody have different sensitivities to brushes. Some brushes may be too hard on your eyes, so to me, in my opinion, I wouldn't really focus on brushes that people use, because to me it just depends on the type of eyes that you have. But anyway, let's finish jumping into this video.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. I know the sadness that cripples you, it comes in waves and out of the blue, but there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push. Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know crazy. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine. Eyes on the door, you've got them trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say. Think before you say, think before you say. I'll play the fool, you sit and wait. Awkward conversation, when's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say? You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words I never said. Lie to cover up the feelings, let it
y'all, so I am back with the final look. Let me move my camera over. So yeah, I am back with the final look. My eyelashes are a little dramatic, but I like these. These are the number 9s. This is called Fox Mink. You can get these at the beauty supply store, but this is how it looks. I don't even know what the brand is, but this is how it's look. I have it in style 9. And this is the makeup. This is how it's looking. Cute, popping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys later. Bye.